preparation part. So as believers, we must know that we need to be prepared. The Bible says, uJesu wakhuluma nabafundi bakhe, uma khuluma nabafundi bakhe, ababuza ukuthi abantu bathi mina ngubani? Abathandekayo. Because Jesus was trying to find out after going with them, do they know ukuthi ngubani mina? Ibhayibheli ukuthi abanye bakhazi bathi abanye bakubiza ngokuthi ubani, abanye ukuthi wajika impilo inkulumo yakhe yathi nina nithi ngubani. Abathandekayo. So meaning the preparation part for you as a believer, you need to know God. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungubani kuwe. Abathandekayo. uNkulunkulu mesibazi ukuthi ungubani bathandekayo kuwe, because you need to have a relationship with God. So the relationship that you have God, it's the relationship, it's the testimony that will sustain you. For ukuthi ukwazi ukufacea nezinto. The Bible uma ufunda isitori saka David, uDavid wasinakahlanga noGoliath. Wathi mina ngalwa nani ngabulala ibhena, ngabulala ibhubezi. So meaning he had a testimony about God, ukuthi ene relationship yakhe noNkulunkulu, baku relationship yakhe enjani. So nasikaphana noGoliath, uthi mina ngizi nangenkemba, angizi nangani, but ngiza ngagama, ngiza not, because he had a relationship with God. So meaning when he called him to himself, kwaba ne preparation yakhe nayo noNkulunkulu. So God is preparing men. God, we are still prepared to face the world. God is preparing us to take over. God is preparing us to subdue. God is preparing us to lead. God is preparing us to be out there. So you move from the stage. You move from then God is calling himself. He's calling you to himself. uNkulunkulu ufuna uba nobudlelwane nawe. uNkulunkulu ufuna uba ne-intimacy nawe. uNkulunkulu ufuna ube nengxoxo nobabili ukuthi abe